time limit to claim ITC. It talks about the time limit to claim ITC. A registered person shall not be entitled to take ITC in respect of any invoice or debit note or supply of goods or services or both after the 30th date of November following the end of the financial year to which such invoice, debit note pertains to, or furnish the relevant annual return, whichever is earlier. So first is 30th November following the end of the financial year or the furnishing of annual return, whichever is earlier. So time limit up to 2021 was, let's explain this terms first of all. Invoice related to such period or debit note. These words are deleted with effect from by Finance Act 2020 with effect from 1st of January 2021. This is a circular number by which these particular words have been deleted, because before that, the whenever a debit note or credit note is being issued, the particular invoice number to which such debit or credit note is related to is required to be furnished. But nowadays, after 1st of January 2021, there is no such requirement to relate any debit or credit note to the previous invoice. If to which invoice such debit note is pertaining or to which invoice such credit note is pertaining is no longer required. So that's why these words are being deleted from the section. Let's understand this limit. Let's understand this limit with the help of an example. Suppose we are sitting in 24-25. So last date to claim ITC. Last date to claim ITC related to any invoice which is being issued in this financial year will be the 30th November 25, or the date on which I furnish the annual return for this particular financial year, the date on which I furnish the annual return for financial year 24-25, whichever is earlier. So this will be the time limit to claim the ITC related to financial year 24-25. However, this time limit comes into effect from 1st of October 22. Before that, the time limit was the due date for the month of September. Due date for the month of September means for the September month, 3B is being filed on 20th of October. The 20th of October was the last date to take the ITC for any particular financial year or furnishing of annual return, whichever is earlier. This point is similar in both scenarios. So before 1st October 22, it means financial year 22-23, the due date was the due date for the month of September following the end of financial year. So for financial year 2021, it would be 20th of October 21, 20th of October 21. And after that, it would be 30th of November 25, or the furnishing of annual return, whichever is earlier.